Hey, it's Thinker here. Today we're going to make easy homemade burger sauce. It was always an inconvenience for me to put ketchup, mustard, and mayo on my burger buns while making a burger. So I started making this burger sauce because it's easier and it adds a lot of flavor and it goes really well with your fries. So here are the ingredients. 5 tablespoons of mayo, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and lemon juice from 1/4 of a lemon. Mix them well and use them to your liking. And add or subtract any ingredients from the list to make it your own and hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MidThinker. Thank you for watching and keep mid-thinking.